Most people think creativity is something that just happens, like lightning in a bottle. But real creatives, they don't wait. They train their creativity, just like you'd train a muscle. And today, I'm giving you 5 simple, science-backed habits that you can use every single day to boost your creativity and problem-solving power. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, ask what if, daily. Start your day with a creative warm-up. Ask yourself weird, fun, challenging what-if questions. What if gravity turned off for 10 seconds? What if schools were open at night instead of the day? What if pencils could talk? It sounds silly, but this activates your divergent thinking and gets your brain firing with new connections. Even 3 minutes a day can boost idea generation over time. Studies from the University of Amsterdam show that regular mental play increases creative flexibility and cognitive fluency. Habit number 2, keep a bad ideas notebook. Yep, bad ideas. Why? Because when you're afraid to be wrong, you block your creative flow. A bad ideas notebook removes the pressure to be perfect. Write down ideas that are dumb, weird, or impossible. You might laugh at them today, but tomorrow, one of them might spark your best idea yet. Remember, creativity isn't about being right. It's about exploring the unknown. Habit number 3, take idea walks. Research shows that walking, especially without your phone, helps your brain enter default mode, where subconscious thinking happens. In fact, a Stanford study found that people increased their creative output by up to 60% when they walked regularly before brainstorming. So the next time you're stuck on a project or don't know how to solve a problem, go for a 10-minute walk. You'll come back with a better brain. Habit number 4, use the 3 ways rule. Whenever you're stuck on something, an essay, a design, a solution, force yourself to come up with 3 different ways to do it, even if 2 are terrible. This trains your brain to think flexibly, explore alternatives, and not lock into the first thing that comes to mind. And the more you do this, the easier it gets. In creativity, quantity leads to quality. Habit number 5, limit yourself on purpose. This one sounds strange, but stay with me. Creativity loves constraints. When you have too much freedom, your brain gets overwhelmed. But when you give yourself limits, you become more resourceful. Try this. Write a story in exactly 10 words. Solve a problem using only recycled materials. Give a presentation using no text, only pictures. Constraint triggers creativity. It forces your brain to invent new solutions with what you've got. Let's recap. Ask what if every day. Keep a bad ideas notebook. Go on idea walks. Use the 3 ways rule. Add creative limits on purpose. These habits don't require money, talent, or fancy tools, just intentional practice. Start with one of them today, and you'll begin to feel your brain work in new, exciting ways. And in the next episode, I'll walk you through the 5-step problem-solving model used by creative pros, entrepreneurs, and even emergency responders. It's simple, powerful, and something every student should learn. So subscribe, hit that bell, and train your creativity every day, just like your body. I'm Rachel, and this is School Subjects Online. Let's build your brain together.